In 2014, we created the Association of Professional Builders, a business coaching company dedicated to helping established custom home builders generate more leads, more sales, and increase their margins while improving the building experience for their client.
You unlock 24/7 online access to the proven systems and processes used by thousands of successful building companies across 4 continents. You'll lay the foundations that allow your building company to grow without you working longer hours.
Reserved for professional builders who want faster results and more accountability.
A thriving global network of builders who inspire, uplift, and learn from each other.
Start earning cash back on the services you use to run your building company.
This is not your run-of-the-mill business book with generalist advice.
Hear from industry experts, executive coaches, and other professional builders just like yourself, with new episodes airing every single week.